Hey, this is Jackie with Tomball Digital Marketing, and I just wanted to shoot you over the quick little video I was talking to you about. So I'm going to go over a couple things that would help you increase your business by increasing your online presence. So there's a couple things. One would be content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to go over the content, and I have your website pulled up. So my initial suggestion would be to add more content. And if you're not sure what that is, it's basically the words on the page that explain what you are, the services that you offer, the service area that you're in. And within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want to be found for. And that's going to help people find you when they Google those keywords. So I did input your information into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I'm assuming you're a fairly newer website because it's not really giving me any information here, but I will show you some things that your competition's doing. Excuse me. And so when I Googled, so ATV Alvin, ATV repair Alvin, Texas. What comes up first is this, the map pack and the Google My Business pages. So if you haven't created a Google My Business page, or if you have, I would definitely suggest optimizing it to the full extent. This is something that I can help with to give you an outreach of within 2 hours. So people can, when they Google something like this, you pop up, and it's really important, especially these days, because people are going to go right to your website or give you a call straight from the Google My Business area. So that would definitely help increase business. And then we go into the organics, and one of your top competitors is the UVC Power Sports. So I know that they sell them, but they also repair a lot of different things. So they do have a decent amount of content on here. So just by adding 1,500 words on yours, Google loves content, so it would give you a one-up in your area. So then I did input them into Ahrefs, and this is where they're sitting. And we'll look at the UR and the DR first. So the UR is the trust that your and a website have with Google. The DR is the strength that a website has with Google. So this is on a scale of up to 100. And you want these numbers to be pretty balanced together with the UR and the DR, but then you want them to continually rank up in number as well. So they're doing a decent job. It's not quite balanced to where it could be. But then we're going to look at the backlinks here. So they have 3.56 thousand backlinks, and those are coming from 89 referring domains. And what a backlink is basically just your website linked to another site, then it points direction back to you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some are going to be coming from spammy websites, and then other ones are going to be coming from more authoritative websites that are more niche specific. So a good plan of action would be to match the amount of referring domains that your competition has. In this particular case is 89, and blowing them out of the water and beating them by at least 100. And that's really going to help you to outrank them and then get more traffic on Google. So they're coming up for 1.9 thousand keywords. A lot of them are pretty specific to the products that they sell. So I went in and I just hit in for the key terms for repair, because that's more specific to you. So there's ATV Repair Houston. There is 58 people a month that look up that keyword. Let's see, the small engine repair Alvin, Texas. There's 20 people a month that look up that keyword. Alvin small engine repair, 75 people. So just right there, basically just kind of a quick little example of some keywords that you could start optimizing for. And once you get a good list of keywords that you want to be found for and you start to rank, you can add up that total volume that look it up a month, and a percentage of that is going to go to your site, and a percentage of that's going to be giving you a phone call and turning into customers. Then I also looked up another one of the competitors, which is this Muddies, and I input them as well. So they have 2.73 thousand backlinks coming from 239 referring domains. So same concept would be matching the amount of referring domains that they have and beating them out by 100. And then they are coming up for 442 keywords, And so I entered repair as well into that. So a small engine repair, Alvin, Texas, 20 people a month. Alvin, small engine repair, 75 people a month. Let's see, something else would be good. So nothing really specific that would work for you guys other than those. And then I did Google dirt bike repair Alvin, and these are who come up in the little map pack here. Again, that would help you if you optimize it for that. And then going into the organics, one of the other top competitors is the budget ATV go-karts. And let's see, go back and see what they're looking at. Back again. Let's see. And so they have 600 backlinks coming from 95 referring domains and 1.6 thousand keywords. So if we go into the keywords, we can kind of get a peek of some examples of what you could find for. Not really sure if this would be relevant to you guys, but budget bikes, Alvin, Texas. And we can go in again and do the repair aspect and see what comes up for that. So go-kart repair Houston, there's 32 people a month that look that up. ATV repair Houston, 58 people a month. ATV repair Conroe, 20 people a month. Let's see, go-kart repair shop. So that would be something that you would want to get that's more specific. Go-kart repair shop Houston, go-kart repair shop Alvin, something like that. So go-kart repair shops near me. There's 196 people that look that keyword up. And then lastly, I just want to talk about citations. So what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And basically Google is just a giant popularity contest, and you want to be the most popular kid. And so you want to get your name out there to as many different places as possible, and that will help increase your Google My Business listing and your website as well. So just by optimizing the backlinks and the keywords with the content and the citations, it's going to help you bring more business in via your website. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. These are things that I definitely could help you guys out with. I look forward to hearing from you, and hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.